Hey everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step how to transfer from Coinbase to MetaMask. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to coinbase.com and log in. Once you're logged in, you need to go over to the send/receive button in the top right. You'll then see this pop up, and now you need to make sure that you're on send and not on receive. So once you're on send, you'll need to go over to pay with and select the currency you would like to transfer. You can search for the ticker symbol of the currency or the full name. Once you have selected the right currency, the next thing you need to do is to fill in the amount you would like to transfer. Now I don't actually hold any Ethereum on Coinbase, but for the example I'll just fill in $100, or if you want to fill in an amount of Ethereum you would like to transfer, you can click on this icon right here with the two arrows in it and fill in an amount of Ethereum, and once you've done that, you'll see that you have to fill in the two, so the address you would like to transfer to. To find this address, you need to go over to MetaMask. So if you're using Google, you can go over to the extension page right here and click on MetaMask. You'll then have to fill in your password, and once you've done that, I recommend you press on those three buttons right here and click on Expand View, because in doing so, you'll get MetaMask in full screen, and I like this way better to work with. The next thing you need to do is to select the mainnet, network or chain you would like to use for your transfer. In this case, I'll go ahead and select the Ethereum mainnet, because the cryptocurrency I want to transfer is Ethereum. However, if you're not sure which network to use to transfer the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, I recommend you go over to Google and search for something like which network to use to transfer, and then the name of the currency you want to transfer from Coinbase to MetaMask. Once you have selected the right mainnet, network or chain, you can then go ahead and click on the copy to clipboard. Once you've copied your address, you can go back over to Coinbase and paste in your address. You'll then see that indeed this is an Ethereum address, and once you've filled in the amount, the address and the currency, you can then go ahead and click on continue. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments down below so I can help you out. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.